In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment form in Keap. Now, this is an essential tool for any business looking to streamline its sales processes and enhance customer interaction. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, we'll start by accessing the checkout forms. To do this, you're going to want to open your Keap dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Sales section and click on Checkout Forms. It's really quite straightforward, but this initial step is key as it sets the foundation for creating your payment form. Next, you'll notice an option to add a new form. Click on the Add button and choose Checkout Form from the drop-down menu to start creating one. This will open up a new template for you to work with and customize according to your needs. Now, it's time to select or create products for this form. If you have existing products, you'll be able to pick those directly from your product catalog. However, if you need to create new products, you'll have the option to do so right here. It's always handy to have your product details readily available to save time during this setup. In the event that you're offering recurring payments, whether it be for a subscription or a membership, Keap provides the flexibility to mark your products as recurring. You can define the billing cycle to be monthly, yearly, or as appropriate for your business model. This is an excellent feature for businesses looking to create ongoing relationships with their customers. Next up, you'll need to name your form and configure the details. Give your form an internal name that will help you with tracking and managing forms later on. If you'd like, you can also add a headline that your customers will see on the form itself. Adding any additional fields like customer name or address is also possible if you need to collect more information. Styling the form is where you get to add your personal touch. Choose your branding options, such as logo, background, and button colors. It's crucial to make sure your checkout form aligns with your brand's look and feel so that your customers have a seamless experience. With the aesthetics sorted, it's time to configure the thank you or confirmation process. After a customer completes their purchase, you can utilize the default thank you page provided by Keap, or you might prefer to redirect users to your own custom URL. This little detail ensures that your customer feels appreciated with a tailored follow-up. Finally, once everything is set up to your satisfaction, it's time to make the form live. Publish it and then share it via a direct link or embed it directly into your website. Our journey creating a payment form in Keap comes to an end here, and I hope you found this walkthrough clear and informative. Remember, an efficient payment form can make a world of difference in how smoothly your sales process runs. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling.